Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how 3 Google tools you should be using. So you just have to open the Google app and then you can just type in color picker. And once you type in, this is the result. So it's important so you can just adjust the color you want. So it's important when you want to show someone or tell someone a specific color, and then you can just copy the code and then send the code to that person. And so you can also, and then another tool that is very useful is so you can tap tools, and then there's different tools, but here's my 3 most useful tools. So for example, flip a coin. So you can just tap on it and then it's flipping. So sometimes when you're playing games or anything, you can easily just flip a coin when you don't have an actual coin. And lastly is spinner. So it's sometimes used for teachers or for raffles, and you can just spin the wheel to pick a random winner, and I think it's very useful. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.